I am grey, still on the page, oh color me in. Just an outline, sketchy but fine, oh color me in. If green is chasing the hills over miles, if blue is pursuing the sky, see if the red of your heart doesn't mind where you begin to color me in. Something new and nothing to do, then I'm just the idea. I must be real, 'cause somehow I feel that I'm just the idea. Let's share the blue of the towering sky, the green of the hills that roll by. Leave the red of your heart to decide if you cannot choose which color to use. I'll always wait, it's never too late to color me in. To color me in. Today or next year, I'll always be here if you want to color me in. I'll always wait, it's never too late to color me in, 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 to color me in. Keep you right here where the line is. I'm my fingers on the surface. Keep you right here where the line is. Keep you right here. Keep you right here where the line is. At my fingers on the surface. Keep you right here where the line is. Keep you right My feet won't touch the ground beneath me. I'm flying, but I'm not afraid to fall. I wear my pretty dress with big ass sneakers, but we don't gotta go nowhere at all. If anybody asks you, I'm taking. If anybody wants to know, here's to. If anybody asks you, I'm taking. If anybody wants to know, here's to. It's easy to see how people stop believing, 'cause everyone I know's got a broken heart. And though I'm still picking up my pieces, he makes me wanna give it another shot. If anybody asks you, I'm taking. If anybody wants to know, here's to. If anybody asks you, I'm taking. If anybody wants to know, here's to. Would I do it all again? Oh yeah, in a second. Might have taken 30 years, but I was always on my way to him. If anybody asks you, I'm taking. If anybody wants to know, here's to. If anybody asks you, I'm taking. If anybody wants to know, here's to. I'm taking. Here's to. I'm taking. Here's to. First thing to go was the sound of his voice. It echoes still, I'm sure, but I can't hear it. Was it gentle or cold, or maybe just noise? I heard what I wanted until I couldn't. And I'm scared to lose. What's left of you? Time moves slow, I just talk to myself. I finish my own sentences the way you used to. Why do memories glow the way real moments don't die? My altar is full of all love's delusions, and ever had to say about love is a sad song. I get off on telling everybody what went wrong. It makes me feel like the pain had a purpose. Keeps me believing that maybe it's worth it. Truth is, all I really want is somebody who wants me. Somebody I can count on who won't disappoint me. At first it seems easy, I vow not to give up. Let them debase me while keeping my chin up. 'Cause I got the trigger but you hold the gun. How come you never put the safety on? I got the trigger but you hold the gun. How come you never put the safety on? So what do people sing about once they finally found it? Think of how they were better without it. I'd like to imagine I'd never be like that. But if I'm honest, I know I already have. 'Cause I got the trigger but you hold the gun. How come you never put the safety on? I got the trigger but you hold the gun. How come you never put the safety on? I got the trigger but you own the gun. How come you never put the safety on? Yeah, I got the trigger but you hold the gun. How come you never put the safety on? Wanted him to kiss me how? With open mouth we keep our distance now. I wanna feel his hands go down. I try not to think about what happened last night outside his house. Too far to go back now. Just wanna feel his hands go down. Sudden desire. Sudden desire. By the hand and hold it. It's cruel to tame a thing that don't know its strength, but better to walk beside 'cause I can't let go. Everywhere I am, it sticks close like a friend. Just like him, just like him. Friendly reminder of a sudden desire. Don't look in my eyes, I'm feeling sudden desire. Don't know if I can deny a sudden desire. Your fingerprints on my skin, a painful reminder. Don't look in my eyes, I'm feeling sudden desire. A sudden desire. I wanted him to kiss me out with open mouth and open mouth. We keep our distance now. I wanna feel his hand go down. I'm trying not to think about what happened last night outside his house. Too far to go back now. Just wanna feel his hands go down. Open your mouth, say something warm. I've spent a while on the stranger side of your door. How do you sound? What do you look like now? I try to replicate our movements in my mind, and I can't seem to remember why we ever felt we had to say goodbye. I can't seem to remember why. Can't seem to remember why. Tin can telephone from your home to my home. I can't feel your energy no more. No more, no more, no more. No more, no more, no more. No more, no more. And I can't seem to remember why we ever felt we had to say goodbye. Can't seem to remember why. And darling, we ever can't seem to remember why. I spent the weekend at home again, drawing circles on the floor. Tried to keep myself from hurting. I don't know why anymore. I just wanna talk about it. I know I freaked you out. I just wanna talk about it. I'm sorry for freaking out. I just wanna talk about it. I know I freaked you out. I just wanna talk about it. Sorry for freaking out. Sorry for freaking out. I just wanna talk about it. Sorry. hold your hand. Now through the delicate darkness you go. If I trespass even one step, it all just disappears. Clock starts over. As long as I'm loving you, you'll never be alone. Long as you keep wanting me around. This is one trip you're gonna have to take alone. When you come back, you'll find me here where I belong. Soft like sand, sift through your hands. Memories we both agree are not reality. As long as you are loving me, I know I'm not alone. Even if you're nowhere to be found. Sometimes life takes you back to places you run from. I'll be right here if ever you come home.
Alright, it took me 3 days to send you this, but sorry. I was in a depression, but I'm trying to come out of it now.
Every morning I wake up from a dream of you holding me underwater. Is that a dream or a memory? Held my breath for a decade, dyed my hair blue to match my lips. Cool of me to try, pretty cool, I'm still alive. I beat it like a dead horse, I beat it like a drum. Oh, I stayed with you too long, skipping like a record. I sang along to a silly little song. I said I beat it like a dead horse, I beat it like a drum. Oh, I stayed with you too long, skipping like a record. I sang along a shitty never-ending song. Sometimes it's good to be the bigger person, but I'm so small I can't compare. And after all, it's only fair. Yeah, I got what I deserved. I was the other woman first. Well, are there others on the line? But I kept trying to make it work. I beat it like a dead horse, I beat it like a drum. Oh, I stayed with you too long, skipping like a record. I sang along to a silly little song. I said I beat it like a dead horse, I beat it like a drum. Oh, I stayed with you too long, skipping like a record. I sang along to your shitty little song. When I said goodbye, I hope you cried. 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 I beat it like a dead horse, I beat it like a drum. Oh, I stayed with you too long, skipping like a record. I sang along to a silly little song. I said I beat it like a dead horse, I beat it like a drum. Oh, I stayed with you too long, skipping like a record. I sang along, and now you get another song. I don't want your concern as some consolation prize, and I don't want to be your friend, but just one of the guys. I am nobody's. We left home when we were teens. I grew bored of simple things. You gave me another chance. A renegade holding your hand. I was somebody's. I was an ordinary, ordinary, ordinary. I was an ordinary, ordinary. I was an ordinary, ordinary, ordinary. I was an ordinary, ordinary. Life began in 7th grade, when me and Mama got away. Came home from school one afternoon. She was waiting in the car for me. She said, "Don't worry, started over Tennessee. Rent was cheap and we were free." I wish that feeling stuck around. There's a beauty to be found. In the ordinary, ordinary, ordinary. In the ordinary, ordinary. In the ordinary, ordinary, ordinary. Keep you right here where the line is at my fingers on the surface. Keep you right here where the line is. Keep you right